Look what you have here. What is this? Little pussycat. Baby pussycat. What do you call a baby pussycat? Kitten. When they are small, we call them kitten. This is a baby cat. We call it kitten. What does this letter start with? K. What's the sound of K? K. Kitten. Kitten. So, what will be the letter here? Inky. E. What is the letter that sounds with E? I. K-I. Then you have T-T-E. Say the word again. Kitten. So, what will be the last letter? N. What is that letter with sound? N. Good. N. What is this? A picture of a kitten. Spell kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Say it again. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. You learn to read the word, spell the word, fill in the missing letter. Good. Let's take another picture. What is this? Who uses this? Daddy, yes. This is called a ladder. Ladder is used to climb up, fix a light, bring down something from the loft. Yes. What is this ladder? What letter does it start with? Letter L. What is the sound of letter L? L. What is this? Ladder. Lad. So, L, A. What will be the next letter? D, D, D. What is that letter? D. Very good. So, you have L, A, D, D, E, and one letter is missing. What's the last letter? Ladder. R. What is that? R. R. Very good. Read the full word now. Ladder. Spell ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R. Ladder. Read it again. L-A-D-D-E-R. Ladder. Are you happy that you filled in all the letters? Good. You are learning to read. Let's take another picture. What is this? Love to eat this. Yummy, juicy, pulpy. What is it? Mango. When do you eat mango? The summer season, yes. Month of April, May, full mangoes will come to the market and mommy gets you mangoes to eat. What is the word starting with? Letter M. What is the sound of M? What is this? Mango. Ma. M. A. What is the letter? A. A. Very good. Look at that. Half we have completed. M-A-N. Man. What is this? Mango. G. O. What is that? O. O sound. O. O. Mango. Spell mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Spell again. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Are you happy? You completed the word? Good. Let's go to the next picture. What are these? You know to write this? Do you recognize these? What are they? Numbers. Yes, these are numbers. You know to write all the numbers? Touch and say the numbers? Good. Now, the numbers. The word number starts with letter N. What is the sound of letter N? N. What is this? Number. So, what will be the letter that's coming here? A. N. U. M. B. Egg. E. N. U. M. B. R's. Number. R. Yes. Now, E, what is letter E? The sound of letter E? A. Egg. How do you break the egg? A. So you write E here. Start with N. And what is this letter E? A. So numbers. Let's spell numbers. Numbers. Say it again. Numbers. Numbers. Very good. Let's look at our next picture. Look. What shape is this? What's the shape of an egg? Good. Oval. This is an oval shape. Oval. Oval spelling begins with O. What's the sound of O? O. What is the letter missing here? V. V. What is that letter? V. 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 Van. V. O-V-A-L. Oval. Spell oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Spell oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. So now we learn to spell oval. Complete the word correctly. Let's take another picture. What do you have here? What do you use this for? Yes, to write in your book. What is this? A pencil. What is it? Pencil. The word pencil begins with the letter P. What's the sound of P? P. What is this? Pencil. Pen. P. Again. How do you crack an egg? E. What is that letter? E. Good. P-E-N. Pen. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I. Your lollipop. L. Good. L. Very good. What is this? Pencil. Spell pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Spell pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Are you feeling good? Yes. Let's take another picture. Who is this? Tall and pretty. Who is this? Queen. Picture of a queen. You know to spell the word queen? The word queen begins with letter Q. Sound qua. Queen. The next letter, the sound is A. What is that? Q. Very good. A. Q-U-E-E. And the last letter, the sound is N. What is that? Good. N. Who is this? Queen. How do you spell queen? Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Spell queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. You learn to spell the word, read the word, and fill in the missing letter. Let's go to another picture. What do you have here? A picture of a rabbit. You like rabbits? Big ears, bushy tail. The word rabbit begins with letter R. R. What is this? A rabbit. Ra. R. A. What is that? Ha? A. Very good. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I. What is the last letter? T. T. What is that? T. Good. This is a rabbit. Read the spelling of rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Read it again. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. You learn to read the word rabbit. Fill in the correct letters. Good. Let's look at another picture. What is this? Where do you see this? It's a fish. Starfish. Yes, you see the starfish at the beach, in the water. Okay? It's a starfish. Okay? So, the starfish, it starts with the letter S. Yes. Spell star. The shape of this fish is got the shape of a star. Spell star. S-T-A-R. Star. Spell fish. F-I-S. What is the last letter? H. Fish. So this is a starfish. Spell starfish for me. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. You learn to read starfish. Spell starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Good. You learn to read it. Shall we take another picture? What do you have here? You have a toothbrush here, and this is one of your teeth. What is this single one called? Tooth. How do you clean your teeth? With a toothbrush. So each of your tooth should be taken special care. Tooth. One tooth. Spell tooth. T. The T sound T. What is the next letter here? O. What is that? O. O. Very good. T. O. O. T. And the last letter, tooth, last letter is H. H sound. What is that? What is H sound? H. Good. Spell now tooth. T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. Spell tooth. T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. This is the toothbrush to clean your tooth one by one. Good. Let's take another picture. What is this? Umbrella. Colorful, beautiful umbrella. When do you use the umbrella? A sunny day, on a rainy day. Now, the word umbrella starts with letter U. And what is the sound of U? What is this? Umbrella. U. What is that sound? M. U-M. B-R-E-L-L. What is this? Umbrella. Yay, very good. What is this? Umbrella. Let's spell together. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. What is this word? Umbrella. Spell it again. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Are you happy? Good. Shall we take another picture? Good. See what you have here. What is this vehicle called? Good. Van. Where do you go in a van? To school? Short trip? Yes? Anyway. Okay, the full family can get into a van. What is the sound of letter V? V. This is a van. V. A. N. Van. V. A. V-A-N. Van. Spell van. V-A-N. Van. Very good. Shall we take another picture? What is this? What is coming out of the tap? The basin is full. Water. Very good. What is it? Water. What is the sound of the first letter W? Wa. Wa. What is this? Water. W-A-T. How do you crack an egg? E. What is that letter? E. E. Very good. Spell water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Read it again. Water. Spell water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Good. Are you happy? You are learning to read. Let's take another picture. What do you have here? The little boy taking X-ray. X-ray of his bone that is broken. What is his first letter? X. What is the sound? R. A. What is the letter missing? A. 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 Remember? So what is the letter? A. Very good. Letter A is missing. X. R. A. Y. X-ray. The boy is taking an X-ray of his bones. Spell X-ray. X. R. A. Y. X-ray. Very good. Let's go to another word, another picture. Let's complete the word together. What is this? Who knows what this is? With the big, tall sail. Yacht. Very good. This is a yacht. It sails on the river. It sails on the seas. Yacht. Yacht begins with the letter Y. What's the sound of Y? Yeah. Yeah. Now, spell yacht, the second letter, yacht. The second letter is A. What is that? A, A. Very good. A. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. What is this? This is a picture of a yacht. Spell yacht. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Good. Let's take our last picture and complete the word. Learn to read too. What is this? What animal is this? Zebra. How do you know it's a zebra? It's got black and white line. Where do you find the zebra? In the zoo or in the jungle? Why? It's a wild animal. Zebra, the word, begins with the letter Z. What is the sound of Z? Z. Zebra. Z-E-B. What is that sound? B. What letter comes? Very good. B. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Spell zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. You learn to read the word, spell the word, and fill in the correct letters. Very good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.